Good morning, students. Today I am here with you to explain you dictionary order, which is also called alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means arranging in order of A, B, C. Let us understand with the following example. The first one is bat, car, elephant, aeroplane. Now we have these four words. We will check the first letter of every word, that is B, C, E, A. Out of these B, C, E and A comes first, then B, then C, and last E comes. It means aeroplane will come first, then bat, next car, and last elephant. Now let us see the second case. The second case have three words, that is air, actor, aeroplane. Now you will notice in these words the first letters are same, so cancel it. So we will check these words from the second letter, that is I, C and E. Now check which alphabet will come first, then second and third. C comes first, then E comes second, and I comes the last. So write down the words in this order. First will be actor, second aeroplane, and then air will come. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. In third case we have honest, honor, hop and holes. First and second letters are same in all, that is HO. So I am going to cancel first and second letters. And I will check these words from the third letters, that is N in honest, N in honor, P in hop and L in hole. So it will be N, N, P, L. According to third letter check, the ranks will be like this. L will be at first place because L comes before N and P. But we have two N. So out of these two we will decide which will be second or third, and P will be in the last. Now because we have two N, so we will check it from fourth letter now. So cancel N in both the words because in both third letter is same. So in honest it will be E, fourth letter, and in honor it will be O, the fourth letter. Out of E and O, E comes at second place and O comes at third place. So the ranks will be whole, honest, honor and hop. Whole, honest, honor and hop. Remember that first we have to check from third letter only. First give ranks according to third letter, and the words in which third letters are same, you have to give rank according to fourth letter check. So practice them nicely. Till then, bye. Take care.